Okay, let's see. I think it's this is a brilliant thing. Hi again, everybody. Welcome to Anything That Moves. As you may know, most of the problems in the Alfa Romeo Stelvio and Giulia are related to the battery or different electrical systems not getting enough power from the battery, so there's something draining the batteries. I had one problem around Christmas where all of a sudden the battery was fully drained out of nowhere. Now I've solved that because I have the garage, so basically every time I've been parking the car for more than, let's say, 3 or 4 days, I've put it on the trickle charger, and I've have it connected to directly to the battery, so I just have to connect it like this. Now, however, in order to avoid that, I actually found that CTEK, the manufacturer of the charger, they also have this comfort indicator eyelet with the Comfort Connect, as they call it. So what I will do is I will remove this Comfort Connect, or whatever we call it, that I already have, and I would have the comfort indicator system installed. Alright, let's see. So basically it looks almost the same as the one already installed, although on the back side here you have the indicators. There's also a kind of a fuse part of this cable that does not come with this one. Alright, and what will happen is that when you have fully charged or more than 80% charge in the battery, there will be a green light. When it's between 60 and 80, there will be a yellow light, and when it's lower than 60, it is a red light. And then you definitely have to charge. This is M6. They also have an M8 model. Alright, now it's been fitted, and as you can see, the green light is blinking, so this means that we have more than 80% load. Now you need to wait about 30 minutes after you've been driving until it will give a correct value, but it's been more than 30 minutes now because I've been fiddling around with this for a while. But now it's here, so very good. The whole idea is now that I don't have to connect the charger every time. I just have to check this one, and then if it's yellow, then I connect it, you know. But if it's not, there's no point, you know. A few days ago, the indicator was showing red, so I charged the battery overnight, and since then I've been doing a few short trips with the car, and then the last 2 days I've been on a course, so I've done about a 22 kilometer, 25 kilometer, maybe 30 kilometer drive in each direction each day, without having the start-stop function on or anything. Now when I came back home, I stopped by at the McDonald's drive-thru to buy some dinner, and I activated the start-stop function to see if it would activate in the queue to the drive-thru, but it didn't activate. So let's see now. I've been standing for about an hour, so it should give the right indication, and it's blinking red. And tomorrow we're going on a road trip, sort of, so I think I better charge the battery then, because I don't want to get a flat. I mean, for sure the battery should charge enough because we will be driving long distances, but I don't really trust this battery, so let's charge it up for tomorrow. So thank you for watching. Let's see how this charging turns out, and if this problem persists, I think I need to maybe try to get a new one on the guarantee, maybe an AGM battery, because I don't think that they have AGM batteries installed from factories. So let's see. Thank you for watching.